This project has in total 4,000 units. 2,000 are already under construction, and the handover of the first portions will happen in this year. The next phase, the remaining 2,000, the enabling work for construction has already started. Also we decided when COVID-19 started to impact everything, to put these islands under lockdown. Also we decided together with the entire construction crew, all the engineers, all the architects, in total 1,200 people, not to go out from this island. And we stayed here for a period of 4 months without going out and without receiving visitors. Also we locked out COVID from this island, and we increased our productivity through implementing of overtime. Our experience in Dubai is oversupply or undersupplied can change within a year. Also these are always short periods, and it can be upside down again. So the investors also should understand investment in real estate is a long-term investment. Don't invest if you need this money next year. Next year can be more or not, you never know. So always go with long-term investment into any real estate business. Only honeymoon is an $18 billion business worldwide. We want to tap into this business. Divers, there is no diving site and diving tourism in Dubai today. Also we want to attract divers to come and visit our coral reefs and our underwater worlds. Also we are ready from property to soft open this project in this year, 2020. So we are building coral reefs because we know there have been flat coral reefs here before, and there have been species which had to move out because islands have been built here. So we are building artificial coral reefs, and we started a coral nursery which will be able to supply around 100,000 corals per annum to this ocean. Also what was here before will be here again and even more. I'm from Austria, from Vienna, and in Vienna there was an expo more than 150 years ago, let's say around 150 years ago, and it failed. Why? Europe was affected by cholera in this time, and the Austrian government decided not to change the date of Expo, and it failed. Also we are very happy that UAE government initiated to move Expo to next year. So because from Austria we have already the experience, if you try to operate Expo during such a situation, it would fail. So next year, imagine the entire planet was under travel restriction for such a long time, and then Expo comes, where the first time after 2020, 2021, the entire world can meet again. Also, I would anticipate Expo become even much more successfully in 2021.